If you keep hearing insulin resistance, but don't fully understand it, this is for you. Insulin is a hormone that helps move sugar from your blood into your cells. With insulin resistance, your cells don't respond properly, so your body produces more insulin to compensate. And when insulin stays high, fat burning becomes harder. So, how do you stabilize it? First, you have to prioritize protein at every meal. Protein slows blood sugar spikes and improves satiety. Secondly, you have to pair carbs with either fiber or fat. Never eat carbs alone. Third, you have to walk for 10 minutes after meals. Even light movement improves insulin response. Remember, you don't need extreme diets. You need blood sugar stability.